My name is April Wooden. My initial weight loss was about 27 pounds. I have struggled with having my weight where I want it most of my life. I want to make sure that what I'm doing makes sense from a medical perspective as well. I looked at the ingredients, all the vitamins and minerals that are included in the supplements, realized that I was getting everything that I needed. And then seeing the success of other people, it alleviated a lot of my concern at the beginning. Talk to people that are, registered dietitians that know nutrition inside and out, that are medical doctors that understand the physiology of what you're trying to do. So I can't say enough about that source of information and support with the program. And I would encourage people not to be afraid of trying a weight management or weight loss drug. If your medical provider is suggesting it, I think it's something to take a good look at. If you're committed to this, then those kind of things, they're just worth it. They're worth putting in the effort to do that. I really want to be an active grandmother. And so that was a great motivator for me. I don't know that I could have done that if I hadn't lost the weight first. It's evidence-based. It's monitored by medical professionals. I really can't see the downside. I would push really hard if it was my friend to say, please give it a try. Please hang in there for a while and see what happens. If you put all the effort into this program and you want to maintain your weight, and if you can embrace that and be willing to change, then it's life-changing.